For 80 years, one currency has quietly ruled the entire planet, the United States dollar. Every barrel of oil, every international trade deal, every emergency loan from the IMF, all of it priced, settled, and dominated in dollars. The modern world was literally architected around it. But right now, in 2026, something unprecedented is happening in global finance. The world's most powerful nations are quietly, deliberately moving away from the dollar. And the question that is terrifying investors, central banks, and governments worldwide is this: if the dollar falls, what on earth replaces it? Welcome to FinDesk. Today we go deep. To understand the crisis, we must go back to 1944. World leaders gathered in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, and made a decision that would shape every economy on Earth. The US dollar would become the world's reserve currency, the bedrock of global trade, and for half a century, that decision looked bulletproof. American institutions were rock solid. US Treasury bonds were the world's ultimate safe haven. The Federal Reserve built a reputation as an independent, reliable, globally trusted institution. Nearly 90% of all foreign currency reserves on the planet were held in dollars. Today, that number has collapsed to just under 60%. Central banks in Asia, the Middle East, and Europe are actively diversifying, rotating into gold, the euro, the yuan, and alternative assets. The quiet exit has already begun. So what ignited this financial exodus? 3 words: debt, distrust, and disruption. America's public debt has crossed $36 trillion, a number so large it has stopped feeling real. Investors who once treated U.S. Treasuries as guaranteed safety are now pricing in genuine default risk. That alone is unprecedented in modern financial history. Then came April 2025. President Donald Trump announced sweeping, historic tariffs on virtually every major U.S. trading partner simultaneously. The global markets reacted with immediate, savage volatility. The dollar dropped hard, and unlike previous corrections, it simply has not recovered. But the bigger story is what came next. As we move through 2026, the Trump administration has escalated pressure on the Federal Reserve, threatening the very independence that gave the dollar its global credibility. There have even been public suggestions about presidential influence over rate policy. For global investors, this is not just concerning, it is genuinely alarming. Here's the uncomfortable reality: dethroning the dollar is genuinely structurally hard. The greenback benefits from what economists call network effects. The more entities use it, the more every other entity is forced to use it. Its dominance is deeply embedded across global payment systems, commodity pricing, and sovereign debt structures. But history reminds us, dominant reserve currencies have been displaced before. The British pound sterling once held the exact position the dollar holds today. It lost that status, not overnight, but it lost it. And powerful nations are already making strategic moves. China has aggressively pushed to internationalize the yuan, settling a growing share of its energy imports and trade deals in its own currency. Irole, rattled by its deep dependence on American payment infrastructure, is now pouring resources into building an entirely independent financial system. The resentment of dollar dominance is no longer theoretical, it is geopolitical strategy. So if the dollar slips from its throne, who is even capable of taking its place? The euro is the obvious candidate. Backed by the collective economic weight of 21 sovereign nations with an independent central bank protected by treaty, it is structurally designed to resist the kind of political interference now threatening the dollar. But the euro has a deep, stubborn weakness. The eurozone simply cannot generate enough high-quality sovereign debt. Germany's safe haven market is too small, and the specter of debt crises in southern Europe never fully disappears. Result? The euro remains a solid second, but a very distant second. What about the Chinese yuan? China has the world's second largest economy and enormous political will to globalize its currency. but global investors remain deeply skeptical. Beijing's authoritarian control over capital flows means investors always face the same fundamental question. If I put money into China, can I always get it out? Until that question has a clear, trusted answer, the yuan's global role will remain limited. And digital currencies? Bitcoin is far too volatile. Stablecoins are simply pegged back to, you guessed it, the dollar. We haven't escaped anything. So here's where FinDesk lands, and this is the truth that no financial pundit wants to say plainly. If the United States dollar loses its status as the world's reserve currency, no single currency will replace it. Not the euro, not the yuan, not gold, not any digital token. What replaces it is fragmentation, a multipolar financial world of competing currency blocks with each of its own rules, its own risks, and its own vulnerabilities. For a global financial system that has run on dollar stability for 80 years, that is not just a transition, that is a transformation of everything. That's the deep dive for today from all of us at FinDesk. If this gave you clarity, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss our next financial breakdown, and drop your take in the comments. Do you think the dollar's days are numbered? We read every single response. See you in the next video.